Good Sunday evening, Southeast Texas. Taking a look at the next 7 days. No rain expected across the area. Both the models say so. European GFS, nada. Otherwise, a gradual increase in dew points, meaning humidity levels are going to be starting to increase, certainly by Thursday and Friday. Then that weak cold front comes in on Friday, and look at the dew points going back down. So that means drier air will be moving into the area. Pretty quiet outside across our state. We are seeing some high-level cloudiness coming in from Old Mexico. That is due to a southwest flow and a Pacific hurricane that is dragging or lobbing moisture our way. This is Orlean, and it's a Pacific hurricane. Not going to be an issue for us, just throwing or lobbing high-level moisture, Pacific moisture into our area. So we may go partly sunny at times tomorrow. Quite a bit of high cloudiness tonight and tomorrow. Otherwise, dry atmosphere will slowly moisten up as we head towards Thursday and Friday, and you'll start to probably have to turn on the AC. Then a weak cold front comes on in, and look at the drier air filtering on in as we head towards Saturday. In the tropics, we are watching two areas of disturbed weather. First one, several hundred miles to the east of the Windward Islands, and then the second one in the far eastern Atlantic has a high chance. We're not worried about that because it's going to be a fish storm, or at least not make it into the Gulf of Mexico. However, this one, Invest 91L, modeling wants to take it mainly off towards the west, and there's a small chance around the 12th or 13th it could reach the southern Gulf of Mexico, but with the fronts coming on down from the north, it'll likely be redirected. So low chances reaches the Gulf of Mexico the way it looks right now, and if it does, because of the frontal boundaries coming through, probably be redirected towards the northeast over towards Florida if it makes it in the Gulf of Mexico at all. Regardless, low probability of development over the next 5 days. And we're in good shape, I think, for the next 2 weeks in the Gulf of Mexico. As you can see, high level cloudiness, cirrus clouds over the area tonight. Still another cool night. We'll probably see lows in the low to mid 50s in the lakes and the mid to upper 50s and lower 60s in the triangle. Then another fantastic Monday. Wish I had it off, as high temperatures under mostly sunny skies reach the mid 80s, I believe. Otherwise, looking at the upper level pattern, ridge of high pressure keeping things quiet over our area. Then it's all dependent upon this disturbance coming on down, trying to drag that cold front. It's a weak one into our area as we work on into, say, a Friday late day, the way things look at this point. On the Gulf of Mexico, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast. A northeast wind is expected at 5 to 10 knots tomorrow, and the water temperature's down to 77. Good news there. Tonight, partly cloudy, a lot of high-level cloudiness at times. A chilly to cool night with low to mid 50s in the lakes and the mid to upper 50s to lower 60s in the triangle. Winds going calm. Then for tomorrow, we'll go mostly sunny, but it could thicken up a bit at times. We'll go with mid 80s tomorrow with a northeast wind for the most of the area. We may get south winds late day here in the triangle. Regardless, humidity levels are going to be low the next couple of days. After about Wednesday, humidity really starts kicking it on up as clouds may thicken up on Friday ahead of that front. We'll go partly sunny as high temperatures rise into the 90-degree realm. Look at those low temperatures going on up into the mid-60s. Yeah, that's telling us that moisture is moving on in, but still no rain, I expect, through the next 7 days. Behind that front, maybe a little reduction in moisture levels. It ought to feel a little bit better. Cool mornings and pleasant afternoons with abundant sunshine. Then as we work on into Tuesday and Wednesday a week, as it normally goes, it's flip-flop back to the muggies and air conditioning weather. Maybe, possibly, low confident forecast that we'll see isolated showers Tuesday and Wednesday. We need a lot more than what we're forecasting at this point. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and in Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com. Have a fantastic Sunday night.